Hello and welcome. This is Mudasir from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will start work on real project. We will implement and use those commands that we have learned in previous sessions in this real project. Okay, you can see here this is a plan, this is the elevation, this is the stair section, this is the foundation detail. Here you can see some of doors details, okay, door schedule as well, and here you can see the roof plan. Okay, so we will just create the whole project in AutoCAD and we will see how we can start the project and how we can end the project. We will use all of those commands that we have learned in previous sessions. We will just implement those commands in this real project. So let's get started. I will just open the AutoCAD, okay, and I want to open new template. From here I will go into the application button, and from here I will click on new, and I want to work in metric template. So metric template, as you know, that is ACAD ISO. Okay, so I will just select this one and I will open that particular template. Now the first thing here is I have to just set the units. So for that I will just enter a command of UN. I will hit enter, and from here I have to just set the unit. I have explained all of the things regarding units in my previous videos, that how we can set the unit. Okay, so here I will select the decimal, and in precision I need 0.0, and then the minimum unit here in metric is millimeter, so I will select here millimeter, then I will press OK. Now I have to just set the limits. So for limits I will just enter a command of limits, hit enter. Then it is asking about specify lower left corner, so it will be 0,0, as I have told you that what is this 0,0. I will hit enter. Now it is asking about specify upper right corner, so I have to just select a boundary where I want to work. So right now I want to work in 10 meter by 10 meter boundary. So 10 meter mean 10,000 millimeters, so I will write here 10,000 comma 10,000. okay, then I will just hit enter. Then I will enter a command of Z enter and A enter. Okay, so this is the boundary, okay, where I will work. And if you want to check that boundary, you can just enter another command, grid display, GRID grid, and you can see here this is the command, and here enter a value of 2. What? 2. Here right now the value is 3, so I will hit 2 and then I will hit enter. Now you can see this is the area where we will work. Okay, this is the area where we will work. Again hit a command of grid display, then enter, then enter a value of 3, then hit enter. Okay, now we will work in this boundary. Now the next step here is we have to just set the dimension style. For that I will just enter a command of D. I will hit enter. Now I will create new style from here. Okay, I will go here in new, and from here I will create a new style. I'm working little fast here just because of I have just give you every procedure regarding this all. Okay, so now we are just implement those things here. Here I will just write new project. Okay, new project, and then I will hit continue, and then I will just set some of the units here. We will set the dimension style in detail in next tutorials. Okay, so from here I will go into the primary units and I will set the precision as 0.00. If unit format is in any other format like architectural or engineering, you will select here decimal. Then leave this symbol and arrows. We will just set the arrow size as well in text height as well. Okay, and other setting as well in next tutorials. I will press OK. Now I will select that particular dimension style, and then I will hit set current, then I will close this one. Now let's open the project that we have to create here. So I will open that project, and first thing here is I have to just start from foundation. Okay, you can see here this is the foundation section, and we will start from here. And the first thing here is I have to just create a layer for PCC. Okay, you can see here PCC 100 millimeter thing, and I will work here in layers. So first thing here I have to create a PCC layer, then I will just create wall layers, and then beam on foundation you can see here. So all of the layer I will create here. Okay, now first I will go here in AutoCAD, and from here I will go into the layer. Okay, now here I will just create a layer. So for that I will click here and I will start putting layer name PCC, and I will just give a color of that particular layer. For example, right now I want this kind of color. Okay, then I will select OK. Then I will create one more layer, that is wall layer. So I will click here and I will write here walls. Okay, Now I will give the color here to walls, and I will just select this color and I will press OK. And then again one more layer, that is beam on foundation. So I will create a layer, beam on foundation. Okay, then I will give the color from here. You can select any of the color from here. For example, right now I just want to select from here, okay, this color, or this will be not just visible. I will select this color and I will press OK. And then I will just make this PCC as a default layer because we want to work from here from PCC. So I will just select this and I will select on this one, okay, to make it as a front, and I will go here on screen. Now you can see PCC is the default layer. When I will just enter any of the command, or for example line command, you can see this is under PCC layer. Okay, now we will just start work from foundation section in next tutorial. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.